Chapter 1. The Arrival. The evening was too quiet. Agatha stood by the window, absent-mindedly running her finger across the cold glass. In the courtyard, there was no one. Even the streetlights seemed dimmer than usual. "Iva, did you do your homework?" she asked without turning around. There was no answer. She wanted to repeat the question, but at that moment, something softly creaked in the corridor. Agatha froze. "Ivar?" Silence. She slowly walked into the corridor. The light was on. Everything looked normal, too normal. And then, the front door. It was slightly open. Agatha clearly remembered locking it. A chill ran down her back. "You forgot to close it," a calm voice said. Agatha turned sharply. A woman was standing in the room. She appeared as if she had always been there, tall, with a pale face and an unmoving gaze. There was no anger or emotion in her eyes, only emptiness. Ivar quietly walked up to Agatha. He stared at the woman without blinking. "Who are you?" Agatha's voice trembled. The woman tilted her head slightly, as if studying them. "I came for him," she said calmly, looking at Ivar. Agatha stepped forward, shielding her brother. "He is not going anywhere." The woman's expression did not change. "He will," she replied calmly. "The only question is when." Ivar squeezed Agatha's hand. "I am not going anywhere," he said quietly. The woman looked at him longer than necessary, and suddenly, she smiled faintly. "Good," she said. "Later." She turned and walked toward the door. Her footsteps were almost silent. She left. The door closed slowly. Click. The apartment fell silent again. Agatha did not move. "Is it over?" Ivar whispered. Agatha was about to answer when suddenly the light went out, instantly, across the entire apartment. Darkness swallowed them like a thick cloth, and in that silence, The door slowly opened again. To be continued.